It's your girl Leilani Love. How y'all doing today? Yeah, this intro is coming off the train today because that's how we giving it up. But yeah, can y'all just catch this melt though? Like, do y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay. So stay tuned. Watch me get a tips and the tea on how to, you know what I'm saying, get your lace melt kit and get a review for the Kiss Almighty Lace Line. Y'all, this is my first time trying it, and I'm about to give y'all all the tips and the tea on using this lace glue. Because I definitely gonna let y'all know the real on Almighty Bond. Stay tuned. Alright guys, make sure you start out with clean braids. What you don't want to do is gotta be spray all over your braids and then use a tiny comb to comb it back. That's not good for your edges, guys. Don't do what I'm doing right now. Take a brush, a soft brush, an edge brush, and use some jam or some gel and push your edges back. Don't use gotta be. So here you guys see me spraying alcohol on a paper towel to clean my around my hairline before I get ready to lay down my cap. I would suggest maybe using Sea Breeze or a facial cleanser as opposed to alcohol. Alcohol can be a little harsh. And now you just see me putting on my stocking cap here. This is actually tight. I cut it, and this is better because it's thinner and it's easier to manage and easier to work with and blend. Just make a hole with the scissors by your ear, and you're just going to pull that around your ear, and this is just going to help you be able to glue down by your ear tabs. You can spray it with gotta be or use the gel and just lay that down. Make sure you dry everything and then just cut off the excess. And then you're going to go back in with either the gotta be gel or the spray and rub your edges down. You don't want to have any frayed edges. You can either cut those off or glue them down again and just blow dry them. But you got to make sure that this is completely dry before you put on the makeup. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my makeup brush, a foundation brush, and take some foundation, either cream or liquid, and just go all around the cap. You want to make sure this is completely dry before you put on your wig or before you do anything. Make sure you blow dry that. And we're just doing a quick check to make sure that you can't see the stocking cap through the lace. Especially like if you have a transparent lace or an HD lace, you want to make sure you can't see the stocking cap. So now we're just going to go with the makeup underneath and make sure you put some gotta be spray on that, and also make sure it's fully dry before you proceed. Dun, 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 dun. Today's star of the show is Kiss Almighty Bond. So they sent me some samples and I'm going to be trying out this glue today. And let's just see how it goes. So I would definitely suggest making sure each layer is fully dry first, because I feel like maybe I didn't let it dry dry completely enough. I don't know, but it was just a little gummy, and I feel like the temperature of the room also has something to do with it. Guys, I'm a little bit scared because usually with bold hole or ghost bond, when you touch it, it gets really sticky. This is doing this, and I don't know if that's gonna hold, y'all. I'm getting a little bit scared. I'm gonna try to let it dry a little bit more, I guess, but I don't know, I'm a little worried about that. Alright y'all, so while I'm waiting for the glue to completely dry on this side over here, I think it's pretty much dry everywhere, but I want it to be kind of tacky because it's kind of gummy. But anyway, while I'm waiting on that, they sent me some under eye patches, because your girl got bags and color, discoloration, all of that. So I love an under eye patch. It's anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, has rose moisture, hydrogel, no baggage eye treatment, home spa. Okay, it says just to open them, Remove under eye patch from package. Place patch on eye. Leave them on for 10 minutes. Remove under eye patch and gently pat remaining essence into skin under eye. Alrighty, so let's see how these work. Guys, it's very important to make sure that your hands are very clean, underneath your nails are clean before you start touching your face. That can lead to a breakout or a rash or irritation. I can definitely like feel some refreshing going on already, guys. I love under eye patches. It feels so good. Alright, so I think it's about time for the glue. Yeah, it's pretty tacky. It's not gummy anymore, so I'm about to go ahead. I'm about to go ahead and lay that wig down. You know what? I'm wearing my wig like this today. You know what I'm saying? With the pushback George Jefferson. That's how I'm wearing my wig today. What's up? No, I'm just playing. Alright, guys. So what you're gonna want to do, right, is line the glue up and the front of the hair up together, like tracing the line. See that line there? Trace the line, okay? And press it into the glue. I have a mirror. I have to look in the mirror while I'm doing this so I don't mess it up. Reinforce with some holding first before I tie it down. But I definitely feel like this is not going to stay at all. But we already committed to it, so. Alright, guys. So you can see my eyes are a little bit more plump underneath. It didn't get rid of the discoloration, but I mean, that could just be my eyes. But, I definitely see a little plumpness coming in. Okay. Guys, one thing you have to realize with hair is you have to have patience. Like, I was sitting here doing all of this and the thing was not even hot. Like, it wasn't even doing nothing. Like, I could have just been patient and waited, but I'm sitting here looking stupid. Alright, but for real, let it get hot, you know what I'm saying? Go through that thing, straighten it out. Make sure you put a heat protectant on there, a wax or oil on there to make sure you protect the hair from the heat. After holding it down with the band, I'm going to separate my baby hair. Guys, at this point I had got a little frustrated because like the glue was not holding and it started like everything started rolling back. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm just gonna go back and retack the edges down, put a little bit more glue there and re-glue it down and put the band back over it and try to melt it again. So don't give up, guys. We're gonna get through this. Okay, so I've laid more glue down and now I'm just going to separate my edges and pull those forward so I can put the band on again and re-dry it and continue to melt the lace. You can do this process until you get the lace as melted as you want it, you know. Alright, so I cut my lace already and cut some of my baby hairs. I just kind of combed it to the front so they could be ready or whatever. So now I'm about to just put it in a high ponytail and go from there. I did use foam wrap to kind of set it, so I don't have to use as much heat. foam wrap is better on when you don't want to use heat, and being that I use a lot of colors, I try not to use the straightening comb so much, because the straightening comb does change the color of colorful hair. Okay, it's heat. Alright guys, so now it's time for those baby hairs. I want them to look kind of like more natural, not like swoopies. Yeah, so I'm not doing the swoopies, but I just want them to kind of be like a little natural. I do need a class on baby hairs, so anybody that's willing to, you know, give me a little lesson on baby hairs, hit me up, hit me up. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how the install came out. I didn't really hot comb it. I just used foam wrap to kind of, you know, put my ponytail up and everything, and to lay my edges. So overall, the glue, I'm gonna try it one more time before I give an honest review, to be honest, because I didn't like the way it dried. It was kind of like gummy before, like it got tacky. I've never really experienced that with Ghost Bond or Boho, so maybe it's because I didn't have like a skin prep. I just kind of cleaned my face and that was it. So I'm just gonna try to reinstall, maybe not this wig, maybe another wig. I'm gonna reinstall and then I'll get back to you guys on the Kiss glue. But you know, so far it's holding up and everything's in place. I'm not gonna curl or do anything because I gotta go. So, you know, I'm about to throw on some earrings, throw on some lashes that they included as well. This is the I Envy in the style 142. So I'm gonna throw these bad boys on, fix my face up, throw my little earrings on, then I'm out of here. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I'm not the best with baby hairs, but you know what I'm saying? They I did my little top bun. I can leave it down or, you know, do the top bun. I was like, you know, it's summertime, let me do a little top bun or whatever. But yeah, like this is what it's given. As far as the glue, I would definitely recommend it. It is like you do have to get used to using it. I wouldn't say it takes a long time to dry. It did dry pretty quickly. You just have to make sure that, you know, you're working pretty fast with it. But I would definitely recommend Kiss Almighty Bonds. I definitely liked it. Y'all can see she got me, you know what I mean? Got your girl right. Got your girl right. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to go hit these streets real quick. So if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you and let you know that you are a part of the Love Squad. You're the reason I'm here, and I want to thank you. And if you're not a part of the Love Squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you know every time I drop a new video. If you guys have any questions about any part of the install that maybe I didn't explain well, drop them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all hit me up on Instagram at Leilani.love. If you are interested in purchasing some lashes from my collection, you can find those at www.leilanislove.com. You can also go on my Instagram as well. And I am feeling these lashes by I Envy. They was cute, style 142. These were sent to me by Kiss as well. And I just want to shout out to Kiss. Yo, I'm loving y'all new product line. I'm loving y'all new color, everything. Like, yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So until next time, peace and love. And thank you for watching.